Good afternoon, guys. In a minute, I'll be reading what we have on page 221. So listen carefully and mark the pronunciation for us to read it tomorrow when we have our lesson together. So page 221, Notting Hill Carnival. The Notting Hill Carnival takes place at the end of August every year in London and lasts for 3 days. There are parades through the streets with colourful costumes and traditional dancing. The festival celebrates Caribbean culture in the UK, and there are lots of foods and drinks to try from that part of the world. Sunday, Children's Day. This day is perfect for families and children because it is not so noisy. People can listen to live steel drum bands playing Caribbean music. On this day, the festival is very busy. There are usually over 1 million people walking in the streets. The parade starts at 10 a.m. and goes on until 5:30. That's over 7 hours of non-stop dancing. People drink coconut milk and eat jerk chicken, a traditional Caribbean spicy dish. There are stalls selling t-shirts and souvenirs for visitors. In the evening, there are parties in every street. The Notting Hill Carnival is a very special event that celebrates different cultures. If you are ever in London at this time of the year, don't miss it.